Okay, welcome to the new video lecture series of CNC machine, guys. In this video lecture we will talk about subroutine and fixed cycle or can cycle. Okay, in our previous lecture we talk about how to make a part program and other things. However, in actual practice the component to be programmed are complex in nature and the resulting part program are proportionally longer if we return in the way we have discussed. Okay guys, if we return in the like this manner, if the part program is very complex, then we have to write a very long program. Okay, so to do some, we need to do some repetitive works as well. If some repetitive features such as groups or holes are present in the component identical section, it means, let us consider that this is the workpiece, and now here there are 4 holes, and at exactly mirror place there are 4 holes of same dimension. Then what will I will do I have to write this code again and this write other than and one way is to write the separate program for this one and this one, and another way is doing using subroutine and subroutine can cycle whatever we want to. Okay, by this way we can use this repetitive function. Okay, now similar way of achieving such repetition are provided by the facility of repetitive programming technique available to the part program. Use of repetitive part programming technique significantly reduce the length of the resulting part program, shortens the time required to develop the program, and reduces the computer memory space required for the program. The common techniques used for the repetitive part programming are what? Subroutine, do loops, fixed cycle or can cycle. What is subroutine? A subroutine, also called subprogram or powerful time-saving techniques, or also called in a programming way, in a programmer, as if you are in a if you had done any program C or C++, then you will know that there is a function is used to do repetitive works, repetitive tasks, same task in a repetitive manner. We can call at any number of time. Okay, it is like same exactly like function. The subroutine provide the capability of programming certain fixed sequence or frequently repeat patterns. Subroutine are stored in the program stored in the memory under separate program. The associated subroutine is called for execution. If I have to make the whole, I already made this subroutine and I will call that one. Okay, the subroutine may be called at any time and repeated at any number of time. We can call it an any time and we can repeat it at any number of times. The describe subroutine. The following information. Okay. Let me tell you guys. This is not. To describe the subroutine, the following information is required in the form of codes and symbols. What they are? 1. Identification, start of subroutine, end of subroutine, or means of calling subroutine. We have to certain way or certain method of calling this subroutine. To understand the use of subroutine, consider that it is required to mill a square pocket 40 into 40 mm at a various position on a flat plate. The following information is available. Depth of profile is 3 mm. Z is equals to 0 is at the surface of the plate. When Z is equals to 0, it will touch the surface. The tool should retract back. What? Retract back to a position 5 mm above the flat plate surface while moving from one position to other position.